Hi everybody, and welcome to my channel Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. Well, in today's video I'm going to be showing you a very simple recipe of instant dhokla. It's a pure veg recipe, of course, and it's very easy to make with very few ingredients we always have in our kitchen or in our pantry. And this recipe gets ready also very quickly, so if you have some unexpected guests coming over, this is an ideal recipe to go to. It's also an ideal tiffin recipe or a breakfast item or even an anytime snack. So I hope you like today's recipe and I hope you will give it a try. Do let me know in the comments box below how you like the recipe, how your dhokla turned out. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I need those thumbs ups. And also I need your subscription. If you haven't hit the red subscribe button and become a part of my channel yet, then hit the red subscribe button that you see just below this video. And for all my subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for supporting Akshata's Recipes. And of course, once you subscribe, don't forget to click the bell. That way whenever I put up a new video, you will get a message that Akshata's Recipes has put up a new video. Go to my channel, check out my playlist, check out all my videos. I have more than 300 videos at the moment. Lots and lots of recipes. And let's get started with today's recipe then.
So today we're going to be making this lovely, light and fluffy instant dhoklas. They're super simple to make and really yummy to eat. So keep watching. So let's begin making this delicious and easy instant dhokla. So here I've just brushed a pan with a little bit of oil. I've also prepared my steamer by putting in some water and bringing it to a boil on a low to medium flame. And now we're going to mix all the ingredients that we require for this instant dhokla. So here I have 1 cup of besan or chickpea flour or Bengal gram flour. Just take this and empty it into a bowl. Now we're also going to require about 1.5 tablespoon of fine semolina or rava. Add this to the bowl too. This semolina or rava gives a nice texture to this dhokla. Then we're also going to be using half a teaspoon of citric acid, which is also called Nimbu ke Phool. This is easily available in general stores. It has a little pinkish tinge. Add that too. We're also going to add 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. Add the sugar to this mixture. Now next we are going to make a paste of 1/2 inch of ginger and 1 light green chili. Just smash it up into a very smooth paste. And we're going to add this too to the mixture. And now we're going to add a little bit of color. So we're going to add just a pinch of turmeric powder, about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder. We're going to mix all of this together and we're going to add just a little water. I've used just about 1/4 cup of water to make a mixture like this. And now we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of fruit salt. Add the fruit salt to this mixture and then just whisk it together and you will notice that it suddenly just doubles up in size. Now immediately transfer this mixture into our greased pan. And our water is already boiling in the steamer, so our steamer is ready. So just put a perforated plate and just put the pan into the steamer and close your steamer. And now we're going to steam this for 20 minutes. Put a timer on your watch, on your phone, but steam it for 20 minutes. And exactly after 20 minutes, switch off the gas with the heat and then take out this dhokla, which is all ready. You will see it that it looks nice and fluffy and airy. Now we're going to give a tadka or a fodni to this dhokla. So I've taken about 1 teaspoon of oil. Now to this I'm going to be adding about 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, mori or rye, or 1/4 teaspoon of hing and asafoetida, and a few curry leaves. I'm also going to be adding 1 light green chili, which I've cut up finely. And I'm going to just pour all of this onto the dhokla. You can also use ghee instead of oil. And then just cut up this dhokla into small squares like this. And serve it hot, and it goes amazingly well with a hot cup of tea. So friends, this is a very short and simple yet delicious instant dhokla recipe.
Everyone, and welcome to Akshata's Recipes. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe. I hope you give it a try, and if you liked it, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Akshata's Recipes by hitting the red subscribe button that you see just below this video. And once you have subscribed, click the bell so every time I put up a new video, you'll be the first one to know. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!